principles of map design. Map design principles are very important for a pretty easy to read map. The 5 main design principles to consider when making your own map are visual contrast, legibility, figure ground organization, hierarchical organization, and balance. If these aren't considered when designing your map, map-based communication will fail completely. Please note that these 5 principles will not work on their own, but instead need to be integrated and used together to make a successful map. Visual contrast. This concept relates to how elements and features on a map contrast with the background and with other objects. Think of a map of South Africa displaying the 9 provinces. They are much easier to distinguish when multiple colors are used and the provincial borders are visible, than when the entire map is the same color and you only have the provincial borders as an indicator. If this is not implemented properly, then it will be easy for important information to get lost on the map or to get confused with other information. However, when this is used properly, it can give any map a clean, sharp look and allow information to be easily distinguished and understood. Legibility. Legibility is the ability of map elements to be seen and understood. It is easy to make map elements seen, but making sure they are understood is a lot more difficult. This relates to the symbols chosen, the size of the symbols, and the colors used for these symbols. Note: visual contrast and legibility are used to promote the other design principles. Figure ground organization. This is the ability of a cartographer to separate the items in the foreground from the background. This allows a cartographer to draw the attention to a specific part of the map. Techniques used to do this are adding detail to the map, using a whitewash, a drop shadow, or feathering. Hierarchical organization. This is the ranking of all the elements that make up the map and making sure the higher ranked elements are more visible or draw the focus more than the lower ranked elements. For example, your map is more important than the title or the legend, and the visual representation of these elements should convey this message. Balance. This is the overall appearance of the map. If a map is well balanced, it appears to be in perfect harmony with the legend, the title, and all other elements present. The 2 most important factors of balance are visual weight and visual direction. Thanks for watching, guys.